It's been an incredibly challenging year for us in libraries and throughout Aura really. You know, we were faced with the prospect of having to physically close our doors and services while still doing our utmost to remain open and accessible to our customers and communities who needed us more than ever. Yeah, the Select and Collect service is a really good example of the way we had to adapt. We had to come up with a completely brand new way of delivering resources to our customers, and it's been a massive success. People have really responded positively to it, to the extent that we have, decided we're going to keep it. It's now part of our core offer and will continue to be available from all our libraries.
Knew that lockdown period gave us that opportunity to do that sort of crucial maintenance, which is sometimes difficult when the playgrounds are in use. From painting the swings, for example, or wood staining wooden equipment, or general cleaning. So we were getting them ready when we were allowed to open the playgrounds. And then what we then discovered was that the playgrounds were going to be turned out to be really busy. All of a sudden, it was probably the only facility that was open, and the value of that was only came about just by going, oh my goodness, how many people are using these facilities? A playground in a village or in a sort of suburb of a town, we realised that everybody's got a local facility, and that's really got to be welcomed and celebrated really, that people have got somewhere local where they can walk from their house and have a bit of downtime and a bit of playtime. We've got a programme of work coming up over the next 3 years of investment across the Flintshire play sites, and Aura is heavily involved with that piece of work obviously, and we're looking forward to a really busy time and hopefully improve the playgrounds even more.
People come to these buildings and it's like a family atmosphere in Mould. I'm sure it is across the other sites as well, and people come here because they want to come here, they want to exercise, they want to come swimming. We introduced the family pods, and our experience here at Mould is every time we've had a family pod available, they've been taken up. It's a shame you wouldn't have seen them here now. If you were here earlier on, you would have seen that they were full. And I think we've received a lot of good feedback from customers that we've been able to offer them something, especially considering our Learn to Swim programme has not been the Learn to Swim programme as it was before COVID. So these family pods have been a great alternative for those families to bring their children along for additional swimming. I think some families probably want to have some public swimming sessions back, but there is obviously a majority out there that still like the opportunity to have a whole quarter of a pool to themselves really. It gives them that freedom, but let's just see what the future holds on them.
Setting up the pop-up, this helped us to slowly build the business back up, ready for our return to DLC. And it was also good for the staff as well to get back into what they do best and be able to offer the service where they could. And the clients loved it. We did get a lot of regular clients that came back to us, and that would set us up ready for D-side, as I said. And we also picked up a lot of new business as well at Flint. Everybody was really excited when they came back in here to start preparing ready for opening. So we were doing lots of painting, decorating, cleaning, stripping and polishing floors. So everybody put their hand to everything, and I think it brought everybody together again, and everybody was really happy to be back. It's made us all realise what a great facility we have, and that we're all glad to be back.
We've done Fit and Fed the last few years, but never sort of anything on this scale. And we worked on a couple of projects such as Park Lives, and I suppose we were approached to deliver something this summer on a bigger scale. but once I sat down and thought about it, it probably went on to an even bigger scale than we thought it was going to be.
For me, it says everything about Aura. We're really taking our services out into the community. We trialled the scheme in May half term, and I was really excited for the library to be involved and take the library out, especially as our buildings are quite restricted.
You know, it's been a tough 18 months for a lot of people, so to see the young people sort of socialising again and having an opportunity to participate in activity.
We've been promoting the Summer Reading Challenge, encouraging children to sign up to it. We've had free books to give away, so each family has got books to take home. We've been providing crafts and just a little bit of quiet time for families to spend together and just read together and have some downtime. Fit, Fed and Read is really important for families to have free activities in their community that they can come along to all the way through the holidays.
Having both activities here demonstrates, you know, what is on offer in the county and in the local area. But you know, one child or young person might come along because they like the sporty side of things and get chatting to the library service and realise actually I'll give this a go, or vice versa. One of the children might come along, do some stuff with library services and like the look of, you know, some of the dancing that's going around me, or you know, or some of the football and skateboarding. So I think there's an opportunity to try new things. They might come here for one thing but end up going away loving something else too.
This programme's been amazing. It's been amazing to be sort of involved in through coordination, and the thing I've enjoyed most is being able to work with everyone again.
I think we've got through the year really well together. It's been great getting to know everybody better, and you know, let's take it forward and let's do more.